silken breast so calm. No need for rush, no need for charm. Just steady hands, a knowing gaze, a quiet art in every day. She cuts them gently, clean and wide. With love and care she doesn't hide. A dash of spice, a whisper low, and to the skillet they all go. The pan begins to talk and sing, a golden crust, a tender ring. And every move she makes I see, she's not just cooking, she's loving me. The sizzle says what a word can't show, the warmth, the light, the steady glow. This kitchen's more than pots and flame, it's where she signs her loving name. Her hands make home in every bite. She turns the day from wrong to right. A little oil, a little heat, and suddenly the world's complete. With every stir, with every turn, she gives me more than I could earn. No need for gold, no need to roam. Her hands, her heart, they make me home. She wipes the board, she checks the heat. Each step is slow, each move discreet. And as I watch, I start to pray to keep her love each passing day. The chicken's crisp, the smell divine, like garlic stars and warm sunshine. The sound, the scent, the way she stands, it's heaven made by human hands. She wipes the board, she checks the heat. Each step is slow, each move discreet. And as I watch, I start to pray. Keep her love each passing day. The chicken's crisp, the smell divine, like garlic stars and warm sunshine. The sound, the scent, the way she stands, it's heaven made by human hands. She starts the sauce, a creamy dream, with garlic soft and slow like steam. A pour of cream, a touch of grace. She stirs the warmth into the space. Parmesan falls like snow at dusk. The scent so rich, the love so hushed. And every time she lifts the spoon, it's like the stars align too soon. Spaghetti boils, a tender thread, a melody of white and red. She tastes, she hums, she stirs again, and I forget the world I see her there, her gentle flame, not looking proud, not seeking fame, but giving more than meals or time. She builds a world where all is fine. I set the table, grab the wine, but still feel lucky. She is mine. Each plate she lifts, each smile she shows, just how her quiet magic flows. A moment soft, a meal complete, the way she loves through food so sweet. And when we sit and take that bite, I swear the stars all blink in light. Her hands make home in every taste, no second lost, no single waste. A butter kiss, a creamy line, and suddenly this life is mine.